Hello everyone, my name is Marisa Madrid, and for all of the Mac users out there, I'm going to show you how to convert a Pages document to a PDF. I know most teachers require assignments to be in a certain format like a Word doc or PDF, and since Pages documents don't really translate as well with the PC, this will show you how to convert to a format that can be opened no matter what kind of computer you have. So first things first is we're going to open up Pages. Create a new document. Let's say you're going to be writing an essay. You can click on the essay template. And here's the geology essay that you have written. And as soon as you're done, you're going to go up to File, go down to Export to. You can choose PDF. Click Next. You can name your essay Geology 101 Report. Click Export. And there it is on your desktop. You can click on it just to make sure that everything looks okay. And here's your essay in a PDF format. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video.